My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour. And behind me is a beautiful fireplace, beautiful clocks. You know, when you live in Moscow, you're very close to Europe and a lot of other countries, so you have available things that are not available probably where you live. And this beautiful fireplace really is hand carved, and it is from Italy. And on top of the fireplace is a clock. And it looks like there are vases on either side of the clock, but they're not vases. They also are clocks. Have you ever seen a clock that's round that moves like this? All three of these are clocks. You say, why do you have those clocks on the fireplace mantle in your studio? Well, first of all, because I want you to enjoy the set. But secondly, these clocks say something to me. When I see these clocks, I think about time and the value of time. The Bible tells us in Ephesians chapter 5, verse 16, we are to redeem the time because the days are evil. That word redeem really means make the most of every opportunity, buy back time, which means if you've lost time because of stupidity or mistakes, the grace of God will enable you to buy back that time and get it back again. When I come into this set and I begin to prepare programs for you, I'm thinking about time. The importance of that moment, that you would allow me to come into your home, that you would give me that time, that I could bring the teaching of the Bible to you. I realize we have to make the most of every second we have, and so do you. But if you've wondered what these are and why they're on the mantle, now you know. They remind me that we need to redeem the time because the days are evil.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.